Hey everyone, welcome to Penetration Testing with Athena OS. First off, let me introduce myself. My name is David. I have been working in cybersecurity for over 7 years now, 6 of which have been in red team and penetration testing. I've learned throughout my career that one of the most important for me have become to make my life as easy as possible by using the best tools and the most available tools that I can. And by using Athena OS, I've realized that this is right now my favorite operating system because it's Arch-based. We'll talk about all that later so you can understand more in details what is that technically. And we'll obviously look at why penetration testing with Athena OS is so important. First, let's look at the course roadmap. We'll start off with introduction to penetration testing with Athena OS, where we'll install our virtualization software and of course Athena OS on top of it to see how smooth and well it runs. Then we'll look at fundamentals of penetration testing with Athena OS, what you need to know and how you get to set up everything. Afterwards, we'll already look at some advanced techniques in web penetration testing with Athena OS. Then we'll move on to network penetration testing strategies with Athena OS. Afterwards, of course, we also have securing cloud infrastructures with Athena OS, integrating learned concepts into a comprehensive practical project. Then we'll look at basics of Python for penetration testers and, of course, conclusion and next steps. You can see that this course is going to be very heavy on practice. However, we'll not also skip theory and we'll keep the ones that you need to know. So please, let's get started and here we go.